And the,
hey, what you doing, recording?
The full body armor.
Hey, listen. This bitch in a Darkwing Duck outfit, bro.
Fuck this out,
man. We over in New York, right? But first we gotta get nigga Lolo. This LOLOTV.com. The bitch be trying to catching me with my mouth open shit. Y'all pay attention to this right quick. That's Lolo.
Get the whole body, get the whole body.
That's a Cuban Haitian right there. A Cuban Haitian, you feel me? Listen to his damn motorcycle right quick.
You see how you move in the store?
We threw the flag on Lolo and everything. That bitch snoring his ass off.
Phone on his chest.
The biggest promoter in Lauderdale now. You niggas stay on the job, you feel me? With the phone on his chest, you feel me?
While I go even to sleep.
What?
LOLOTV.
Yeah, Lolo.
Go back. Hey, this is not cap. This is not cap for this year.
This to see how he ain't faking look.
Keep it 100.
Keep it 100.
We should fuck with him. We should put some toothpaste on his thing and
Zolo.
he slap it.
Zolo.
Y'all wanna do that?
Nah. That bitch a professional boxer. I don't know if this ain't gonna get on there.
You better be a professional runner because I'm gonna clear.
Damn, dog. If he only knew we gonna put this bitch on YouTube before him.
Hey, he about to fall. He halfway out the bed. His feet dangling.
Look at that.
Hey, y'all bitch back on
Oh, bitch, you got the nigga so good. LOLOTV.com. This has been approved by Barack Obama, bitch.
Barack Obama. It's a cutthroat world.